In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find 7-Eleven ATM locations near me. If you need to quickly locate a 7-Eleven branch that has an ATM, the easiest way to do it is by using the official 7-Eleven store locator and narrowing the results to stores that specifically offer ATM access. This is helpful because not every branch may have the same services, so filtering your search can save you time and help you avoid unnecessary trips. To begin, go to the official 7-Eleven website. Once you're on the site, look for the store locator page. On that page, you'll want to use the option labeled Stores With and set that filter to ATM. This tells the locator to show only branches that currently have ATM services available, which makes your search much more accurate. After that, open the section for 7-Eleven stores with ATMs. This page will usually display a list of active store addresses, often grouped by city. That's useful if you already know the general area you want to search in, because you can quickly scan nearby cities or neighborhoods and compare locations without having to open multiple pages. Next, go to the search field and type in the city or address you want to check. Be as specific or as broad as you need. For example, you can enter a city name if you want to see all possible results in that area, or you can type a more exact address to find stores closer to a particular location. This is especially helpful if you're traveling, commuting, or trying to find the most convenient ATM nearby. Once you enter your search, the matching results will appear below the search bar. In the results, you should be able to see the city, the store number, the store name, and the exact location. These details make it easier to confirm that you're choosing the correct branch, especially if there are multiple 7-Eleven stores in the same area. When reviewing the results, take a moment to check the full address carefully so you can pick the location that's most convenient for you. If several options appear, choosing the closest one can help you save time and make your trip easier. And that's how to find 7-Eleven ATM locations near you using the official store locator. It's a simple process, and once you know where to look, you can quickly search by city or address and get the exact branch details you need.